It's so very strong. Can you hear it? The sound is quite alarming. But oh, I didn't know that it was coming from you. I can hear the sound of nightmares.
Looking my skin, calling my name.
I can hear the sound of you, dear.
Screaming my flame.
I'm sorry, I must dream. With all silence, there comes a whisper, tainting everything it crosses. With full pleasure, there comes disaster. Now the walls drip with the stench of consequence in the walls. Will drip with consequence. I can hear the sound of nightmares.
Looking my ear, calling my name.
I can hear the sound of you, dear.
Screaming my flame.
I'm sorry, I must dream. The moon is waning, but you won't mind. Ever fear her process? As it's time and a place, then I believe you're strong.
You decided why.
But why? At the end of the night, you'll be glad to find that I won.
You won.
I can hear the sound of nightmares.
Looking my ear, calling my name.
I can hear the sound of you, dear.
Screaming my flame.
I'm sorry, I must dream. I can hear the sound of nightmares.